Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to make moving car CSS animation like this. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the notification bell. So let's head over to our code editor. For this project, I am using VS Code Editor. If you feel free to use any code editor in which you are comfortable in. First create two files. First is index.html, second is style.css, and create a boilerplate by pressing shift and +1 and hit enter. Change the title to CSS moving car animation and then link your CSS file with the HTML file, and then create a div with a class of background. This is the only div is required for the whole project. And let's head over to our CSS. First, I remove all the margin and padding. Okay, this will remove the default margin and padding from the body, and then we we select the background class and give a height of 100 viewport height, so it covered the whole viewport. And background set to be URL background dot png. Okay, let's open our index.html file with live server extension. If you didn't install this, click over here and type live server. This is the extension you need to install, and open your file with live server. Now our file is open. This is our background image. Go to our CSS file and give it a background position bottom left. Why we are giving a background position of bottom left? Because we are animating the background picture from bottom left to the bottom right, so it will move from the left to right. Okay, now we need to add our car or motorbike image. So create a image tag and source is car.png, and give it a class of car, and second image is our motor bike and give it a source of moto bike like this. Let's take a look how it is looking in our Chrome browser. Okay, now give it some width. Now first select car and give it a position absolute, so we place it in our desired location. And left, from the left side, it is 200 pixel away, and bottom set to be -50 pixel. Okay, and give it a width of 200 pixel because our image is slightly big. Okay, this is how it is looking now. And then select a motor bike, position absolute. From the left side it is 700 pixel, and from the bottom it is 55 pixel, and width of 200 pixel, which is slightly bigger than the car. Now let's take a look. This is how it is looking now. Okay, I think it is looking good. Now make our animation work. First create a keyframes and give it a name of moving. Our initial background position is bottom left, and our final position is bottom right. Change from to. Okay, then come to our class of background and give it a animation property, a name of moving. Animation duration is 15 seconds, set to be 15 second, linear and infinite, so it works continuously. Now let's take a look in our animation. Now this is working. Okay, this is for today's tutorial. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, press the notification bell. Thank you.